Hi viewers, welcome to ChemEasy. In this video, let us see synthesis, reactions and medicinal uses of furan. Before watching this video, subscribe ChemEasy to learn chemistry easily. In first method, furan can be synthesized from mucic acid. Let us see how mucic acid gives furan. This is the structure of mucic acid. This mucic acid subjected to dry distillation by the loss of 3 molecules of water and 1 molecule of carbon dioxide, mucic acid produces furoic acid, so which consists of carboxyl group at second position. This furoic acid on decarboxylation at its boiling point produces furan. In second method, we can synthesize furan from furfural. In furfural structure, second position aldehyde group is there. It means furan in which second position consists of aldehyde group which is oxidized to carboxyl group with the help of potassium dichromate. It means furfural on oxidation with potassium dichromate produces furoic acid. Then this furoic acid is decarboxylated at 200 to 300 degrees Celsius produces furan. Here carbon dioxide removed by decarboxylation. In another one method, from the furfural, by removing carbon monoxide in steam in the presence of silver oxide as a catalyst, we can get furan. In third method, furan is synthesized by the decarboxylation of furoic acid in quinoline in the presence of copper powder. Now let's go to characteristic reactions of furan. First one is electrophilic substitution reaction. As like pyrrole, in furan also electrophilic substitution takes place mainly at second position. Whenever the position 2 and 5 are filled, then the substitution takes place at 3 and 4. Note on the numbering for furan structure. The number 1 position goes to the position where the heteroatom oxygen is present. Then here second position, third position, fourth and fifth position. Position 2 and 5 are alpha positions and position 3 and 4 are beta positions. Let us see some electrophilic substitution reactions one by one. First one, nitration. Furan, when nitrated with hot solution of nitric acid in acetic anhydride, the second position of furan is nitrated and produces 2-nitrofuran. Whenever the furan is sulfonated by sulfur trioxide in pyridine at 70 degrees Celsius, which produces furan 2-sulfonic acid. Furan reacts extremely rapidly with halogens at room temperature, and during this reaction the liberated halogen acids cause polymerization. So the halogenofurans are generally prepared by indirect methods. For example, furoic acid, which consists of carboxyl group at second position, on bromination, the fifth position is brominated and produces 5-bromo-2-furoic acid. This on decarboxylation can produce 2-bromofuran. In this reaction, directly furan is not brominated. Indirectly from furoic acid, we are getting 2-bromofuran. In another one example, furan first treated with mercury chloride in sodium acetate which gives furyl mercury chloride. From this, on iodination, we are getting 2-iodofuran. In this reaction also, directly the furan is not iodinated. Indirectly, after making furyl mercury chloride, from this we are getting 2-iodofuran. However, halogenation of furan is possible directly by maintaining some reaction condition. For example, furan at 40 degrees Celsius with chlorine produces a mixture of 2-chlorofuran and 2,5-dichlorofuran. In bromination, furan on bromination with bromine in dioxane at 0 degrees Celsius can produce 2-bromofuran. Next electrophilic substitution reaction of furan is acylation, which is one of the Friedel-Crafts reaction. In this acylation reaction, furan treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of boron trifluoride at 0 degrees Celsius gives 2-acetyl furan. The second position of furan is acetylated. In mercuration, furan treated with mercury chloride in sodium acetate and gives 2-furyl mercury chloride. Next one is formylation reaction. This is the last reaction under electrophilic substitution reactions of furan. Furan undergoes Gattermann reaction by a mixture of hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen chloride in the presence of Lewis acid catalyst. You can see the reaction. Furan with a mixture of hydrogen cyanide and hydrogen chloride produces furfural. This is formylated. Another formylation reaction is Willsmeyer reaction. Furan undergoes Willsmeyer reaction with DMF, that is dimethyl formamide, and phosphorus oxychloride produces furfural. Next one is reaction of furan with diazonium salts. This reaction is called as Gomberg reaction. In this reaction, furan is treated with diazonium salt in alkaline solution and produces aryl furans. In this example, furan with benzene diazonium chloride gives 2-phenyl furan. Next reaction is reaction of furan with malic anhydride. This is called as Diels-Alder reaction. In this Diels-Alder reaction, furan is acting as diene and malic anhydride acts as dienophile. So this diene reacts with dienophile and produces furan malic anhydride adduct. Next one is reaction of furan with alkyl lithium or aryl lithium. For example, when furan reacts with alkyl lithium to form 2-lithium derivative. From this 2-lithium derivative, alkyl furan and furoic acid can be prepared. See this reaction, furan with N-butyl lithium, which is one of the alkyl lithium, produces 2-lithofuran. From this 2-lithofuran, we can produce 2-alkyl furan by treatment with alkyl halide in acidic condition. In another one way, from this 2-lithofuran, we can make feroic acid by treatment with carbon dioxide. Furan is completely oxidized by most of the oxidizing agents. It is polymerized to resinous product even by air via peroxide. This example shows the oxidation reaction of furan. Furan on oxidation finally produces succin dialdehyde. This is the intermediate, that is peroxide intermediate. When furan is catalytically reduced over Raney nickel or palladium oxide, which produces one of the important compound, that is tetrahydrofuran. See the reaction, furan on reduction produces tetrahydrofuran. So this is fully saturated furan. Furan is present in many medicinal compounds. Now let us see few examples which consists of furan nucleus along with its uses. This is one of the medicinal compound containing furan nucleus here called furazolidone. This furazolidone is used for the specific and symptomatic treatment of bacterial or protozoal diarrhea and enteritis caused by susceptible organisms. Second example is nitrofurazone. You can see furan nucleus here. This compound is nitrofurazone. This nitrofurazone is a topical anti-infective agent effective against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. It is used for superficial wound and injuries and skin infections. In nitrofurantoin, furan nucleus is present here. This nitrofurantoin is indicated to treat acute uncomplicated urinary tract infections. Ranitidine is one of the important medicinal compound containing furan nucleus in its structure. See here furan nucleus is there and this total structure is ranitidine structure. So this ranitidine is a histamine H2 receptor antagonist used to treat duodenal ulcers, gastric ulcer, gastroesophageal reflux disease, that is called GERD, and erosive esophagitis. Another important medicinal compound which consists of furan nucleus is furosemide. In furosemide, furan nucleus is present here. This drug is a loop diuretic used to treat hypertension and edema in congestive heart failure, liver cirrhosis, renal disease and hypertension.